Hi crafters! Today we're going to be doing an upcycle project. I'm going to be using a glass soda bottle and some chalk paint by Waverly in the color Ivory. And I'll be using a foam dabber to dab on the chalk paint. The foam dabber tends to give more coverage than just painting with a brush. So I find it easier to use the foam dabber. But you could use a brush too, you just might need to do thin coats. Once I get the first layer of paint on, I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to also hit it with a hot air gun to speed up the drying process. And I'm going to end up putting a second coat on the bottle as well to make sure it is fully covered. And then I'll let the paint dry before I continue with this project. I'm going to paint on a snowman face, but before I paint it on, I am going to sketch it out with a pencil. Now this is optional. You can probably paint this very easily if you're a better painter than I am, but I need to sketch it out first before I start painting. And I'm going to use acrylic paint for this. You could use Sharpie markers, you could use acrylic markers. I didn't have any of those when I was doing this, so I just used a paintbrush and some acrylic paint. Once the paint is dried, I'm going to go in with a little white acrylic paint just to give the eyes a little detail. And then I'm going to add eyebrows. I'm going to take this metallic rub and buff in the color Espresso. I'm going to go over the lettering on the bottle, and then I want to grunge it up a little bit, so I start putting it all over the bottle, but it doesn't spread very well, so I end up using some water on my finger and then just spreading it around to get the desired look that I want. Now I did a different way, which I did not record. I ended up mixing cinnamon with Mod Podge and then dabbing it all over, and I actually like that look better. And you'll see at the end of the video the two different ways that I did it, the one with the cinnamon and the way that you are seeing it right now. I decided to add a little pink acrylic paint for the cheeks. And here you go. Here are the two different options. The option on the left there that is with the cinnamon. And I think I like that a little bit better than the Rub and Buff on it. But either way, I think they turned out really cute. I added a little taper candle at the top. And I think this project turned out adorable. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, as it really does help out my channel, and I hope you all have a great day.